Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and children as well. I came out here a couple of days ago and I made a film last night as well, because I was having a walk on the Great Wall of Taiwan, as I call it. But back to the story here today. I've come across this skate park that is a bit worse for wear, and I'm a bit concerned because they are very safety conscious here in Taiwan, and there is a lot of rust here. Very unsafe, and this could be fixed up instead of being taken away, and I hope that this will get fixed up. I will send an email off to the council here to say, hey, what's going on with this here? So I don't think this is being used. Last night I did come here and there was a little girl on her scooter, and I think she went in here, but we'll talk about that in a moment. But this here could be fixed with minimal spend. I could fix it myself, but then I could get sued if somebody hurt themselves. Anyway, so there is potential here in this skateboard park. They still have a grinding rail, and they've got grinding rails here. Now this here, they've got the metal there where it is rusted, and they've got the fiberglass, so there is a bit of yeah, so if you are on a skateboard you could hurt yourself and knock your noggin on there, but you would be wearing a helmet hopefully. So like, there is potential here. So there is a grinding pad there, so very good, but I dare say this is not used. And if this was fixed, you know, like young kids and even adults could come here and get fit, because there is potential. And this one here as well needs to be fixed as well. So they've got, I think repairs have been done at some point, so this certainly is not very safe, and that's why I wanted to make this video. It's not to embarrass the Taiwanese council or the government, but it's just a safety. Like have a look at that. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad, you know. Very sharp. But yeah, very sad. Hopefully it will be fixed, and the youth and the adults will come and play. Now this here, I asked the wife what this is, and she thinks it's like for roller skating or something. It does remind me of like a skid kid type of park, but yeah, I don't know. There is a bloke over there having a smoke in the park where he shouldn't be smoking, but yes, they clearly have a sign over here saying no smoking. And shame on him for smoking in a children's playground. And they do have the e-bike here. But I have made 9 videos walking along this fantastic wall here, and the council have done a fantastic job on this. So I was out here a couple of times. I come out here every day actually for a walk, but the council are doing painting and varnishing there. So congratulations to the council on that project. Here's the sign here. I'm not exactly sure what that says, but yeah, I think somebody has turned this sign all around. It does say no smoking, yes. So this man over here is having a cigarette. Shame on him. I know there's no kids around, but you still shouldn't be smoking and putting butts there, because kids do pick up things. Yes, and it does smell as well. So yeah, I know this isn't a greyhound racetrack, because yeah, it certainly isn't, but probably rollerblade or roller skating, I don't know. But yeah, and the lawn could do with a haircut, and there is a park there, as I said. Congratulations for having the soft cell padding there, but very good. And I think that could be a roller rink over there as well. But look at this marvellous view there of the mountains and the fantastic wall there. So we'll wrap this up. This isn't to embarrass the council at all. It's just to shed some light on a safety issue I see. And hopefully it will be rectified or fixed. I hope that they don't take it away. I hope that they just repair it, because it is important for the youth of today and adults to exercise. So there is no shaming here, except for that man over there having a cigarette. Shame on him. But I'll wrap this up. If you have enjoyed this message, please hit the likes. I don't know why you're still here if you would hit the dislikes. And we'll see you on the next exciting adventures here. Uru for now, and be the best version of yourself. And talking of the council men, they're out here again, painting again, and well done, well done. Positive actions are being done, and hopefully some positive actions will be done here on this skate park, and then the youth will come. And that's enough of me for now. Uru, and be the best version of yourself.